What's up, everybody? We were at Loli'S over in Hillsboro. Right. Whatever, I'm just gonna let it keep going.
You're good.
I know. That's what happens when you film out in public. Alright, what's up? We're over here at Loli'S, close to the Walmart on Hillsboro Ave. Original location was on Benjamin Road. They started as a food truck in a little small spot over there and ended up moving on over here. We got another one opening up on Gandy soon. So this whole video experiment on this one is going to be a mukbang. Now, I know it sounds kinky, but it's all about eating and talking and broadcasting. It's a Korean thing, so usually it's a lot of food and you just kind of talk and eat. It's lunchtime, so I'm just gonna do a few tacos and kind of just go with the flow of things. So what I got here, nice little lengua taco. That is a beef tongue, traditional with onion and cilantro. Then we got some, of course, fresh lime that we're gonna squeeze and let it drip all over that. Yeah. A little hot sauce. Put a little bit of that bad boy in there. And then we're just gonna dive in. Oh my god. The flavors are amazing. So good. So, anyway, this is all about eating and talking about random things. So let's talk about hospitality etiquette. That's a big one. So, I've been in the industry for over 7 years. Bartending, serving. And it's just like, people still don't understand how to take care of their servers, how to take care of their bartenders. It's always the same shit, over and over and over. So, the recommended standard for tipping your servers, for tipping your bartenders, is 20%. It's 20%. Like, I don't understand. If you're bad, do less. But let's start off at 20%. I just love filming outside. This is the best because we got bus after bus after bus. It's like they just all decided to come on the day I wanted to record outside for a class field trip. Anyways, on to the next taco. We have here El Pastor. So anyways, with the bus noise in the background and keep on hitting the brakes, I'm just gonna have to talk up a little bit more. But back to what I was saying. We have the tipping aspect. Second of all, how are you gonna come in with 20-something people and want a million different? Oh my god. Well, come on. With a million people, I want all these separate checks. We're in a day and age where we have Venmo, Zelle, you can send money on freaking iPhones, Facebooks, all that stuff. But yet, you choose to have 20 people and about 18, 19 different tabs. Why is it that you want to torture me in all different ways? And when you do those separate tabs, you're gonna have 2 people over here. 2 people over there. Oh, and excuse me, can you throw that one that's in the corner running around in circles? Always happens. Huh? Okay, pause it. Oh my god. Yes. It's recording. We tried to pause it after they released 3 buses of fucking people. And now there's 3 more buses. The day I choose to eat and film outside, there have 6 freaking buses come with kids for PK Play Zone. What the fuck? All I want to do is just film this outside and eat and do this mukbang video. Oh, by the way, this is sorrel, which is nice and sweet. Anyway, I paused, so I still have some left of the El Pastor. Not anymore now. Now, see, I'm losing my train of thought. Oh yeah, so we're talking about hospitality etiquette and stuff that just drives me freaking crazy. So the tipping aspect, and then when you have a million checks, then you separate. I'm gonna pause this again real quick. Pause it.
72 hours later.
Alright, so that little encounter makes me not want to have kids. No, I love the kids. I really do. But Jesus Christ. Now we're going on to my 3rd taco. If you don't know, like when we edit this, that was probably a good 10-15 minutes of just busloads of kids coming out staring at you while you're sitting here trying to eat, which is fun. So here we have our fish taco, nice and crispy, got avocado on there. Squeeze some more lime, get that juice going. Yeah, you see the little drip drop, drip 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 drop, drop 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 drop. Some more hot sauce. All right, so yeah, crunch, got crunch. All right, so back on track. Restaurant dining, bartending, coming in, etiquette towards your servers, towards your bartenders. 20%. You can start deducting if they suck. If they're on their phone all the time, if they're ignoring you, if you don't get any socialization out of the whole thing, and are completely horrible, disappearing, then I don't care, deduct away. I always walk into a place, for the fact I'm in the industry, I'm probably starting out around 30%. It's theirs to lose. And that's strictly on how they interact, their service, what they know, their knowledge. And then if I'm coming with a group of people, I don't care how big, 1 check, we'll figure it out. We'll give you a bunch of cards, or be on 1 card and everyone just hooks up that person. Or if you're out with a few people, you pay this time, they pay next time. That's how I do it with my friends. It all works out that way. So for the people that are coming in with 20+ people and they want all these different checks and want us to run around like circus freaks. Now my fish taco is falling apart. So, oh my god, I swear to god, if the kids are coming out of this fucking place. Okay. So, take care of your servers, take care of your bartenders. If you got a large party, try to put it all on 1 check. It just makes life a whole lot easier for us. And yeah, I just have to vent because certain people are just driving me crazy. Guests, like I just like good experiences. I like cool people. Most of the people take care of me, but you always have those that want to find every little thing to complain about. And they, now that you have Yelp and all these other reviews, jump on there and do a review, and they think they're food critics. So, just take care of your people and try not to alter the chef's creations. All people come in here and want this taken off, this added on, that taken off. Look, the chef creates these dishes for certain flavors and they match well together, unless you have an allergy. The major ones, dairy, tree nuts, gluten, that's only if you have celiac. If you're just one of these people jump on some fad, like, oh, I want to be gluten-free, no. Eat it the way it's meant to be. That's the flavors the chef wants you to taste. This is how it was created. This is why, if you're going to a place that is highly ranked, this is why it is. It's not because somebody comes in here and wants to have it your way like it's freaking Burger King. You want to do that? Go to Burger King. So, we are nearing the end of me finishing eating. And this has been definitely an experience. And I'm sure a lot of people are going to watch this, hopefully. And for those who are in this whole mukbang thing, if you like it, share it. And any advice, just throw it my way. I'll be putting a few of these videos up there too, because why not? I love eating food and I love talking, so why not just combine them both? Some weird fetish that people love, so I am more than welcome to jump into this one. It's pretty cool when you see all the Korean shows that have this. So, yeah, man. Till next time, this was just a little short video to add because I am getting ready for my vacation, which I'll be leaving on Saturday, and today is actually the filming and posting of this video is going to be done on the same day. So I will be seeing you next stop in St. Martin, Anguilla, Saba, maybe a day trip to St. Bart's, and have all cool filming there. So for everyone, here comes the bus again. Goddamn buses. Goddamn buses, man. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the dingy bell that hits you off with the notifications, and most importantly, share. Whether you like it, whether you hate it, I don't care. Just show love, show dislike, hate. I don't. Full publicity is good for me. So, cheers. Till next time. I don't know. People like sound. That's why I did it.
Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.